Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the date and time settings on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings button. And now you want to go down and select where it says system and go ahead and select the system tile and then select date and time. And where it says set time automatically, if it's not currently toggled to the right, you may want to turn that on. And if you're still having problems, you may also want to just adjust the date and time by selecting the date and the time right here. You can then select it correctly from this calendar, and then you would select OK to save. Same thing goes with the time as well. And you also have time zone. You can change that as well, or if you want to set that automatically too. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.